Waking up naturally versus using an alarm clock. Which one is actually better for your health? Let's find out. When your body wakes up on its own, it means you've completed your sleep cycle. This leads to better energy, mood, and focus. But alarm clocks can interrupt deep sleep, leaving you groggy and tired. Snoozing? That makes it even worse. Natural wake-ups are better for long-term health, but if you need an alarm, try a gentle sunrise alarm or soothing sounds instead of a loud beep. Which one do you use? Comment below. Follow for more wellness tips.